Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadin ke jing angno jongki paitba ban pentre kamno ya ka solid waste management project ha Shangling ka badon Haribhoi district ka bala sa teng mentala bun snem. Myntri Rangbah kejelau Konrad ke sangma haka khatlai terik ujeleo arjar khat khandai ula lek ban Plie paitba ya kani ka project harengkat ka jingi don lang Myntri ka tenat penroisor ka jela uba hamlet sandoling. Kiwai ke bala sakhi lang hakani kesngi ki kentup yau executive member jong ka KHADC uba polong do ki MLA Naribhoi ba kentup yau ba mayoral bonds em uba Jason Saukume Maulong Director Katanat Urban Affairs uba E Karmalki Engineer in Chief Katanat Urban uba Federal War uba CBCM bat uba Renal Kharkamni ki badai ki chairman bat secretary ka Nongpoh Town Committee ki officer na Katanat Sarkar baper ki Rangbah Shnong ki paitba bat kontupru ya ki khana school na ki school ka thain Nongpoh kumban penkan mau kani ka solid waste management project balatei ha Shangling lasdang nado usnam arjar hinyo hakabala baiting ka lengba ka scheme sarkar kme balatip kum ka Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewal Mission haga jinglut ka balakot hinyo klortam nrei kani ka project kala sateng nakada ka jingtuna haga ba mangting ka ban pendep ya kani ka project.
But I am very happy to inform that I will say that almost all the project now is very completed. Just to fall back, we have already inaugurated the solid waste management project in Tora. Now it's functioned. We have already inaugurated the IST in Tora. That also functioned. We are getting to complete the Nongpoh project in Martin Shillong, just 2 months time. That also we will be completed so that we can address the issue of waste management in Shillong. And today, we have completed and completed the solid waste management project here in Nongpoh. This government is serious. This government is very committed to complete all the building projects. I know it is not easy. It is very tough time for the government. But I will say that we will try our best to address the issue, to solve the issue as early as possible. Because we understand that pending project at the end of the day will not benefit anyone. But any project that has been started, even from the past government, I hope it will benefit the people of the state and also the people in every district of the state.
That this time the Rangbah district has, really given excellent members of the Legislative Assembly. And really all of them take so much of interest. I take so many review meetings in all the districts. And I can tell you when I call the MLAs, hardly any MLAs come. But in Rangbah district, every time I have a review meeting, all the MLAs are present. Across party lines, And I think that's a very, very positive way of moving forward, because it is only through teamwork and only through collective effort can we really achieve the things that we want to and ultimately provide the service and development to the people that we have been here elected to do. Having said that, I think this program and this whole issue of waste management, I think we need to really look at it from, from an economics point of view also. Yesterday when I was speaking to the people in Nongpoh, I was telling them that our economics has a bit of something to do with waste management, I should say. Because as you all know, we are governed by GDP. And what is GDP? We always look at GDP, SDGP, state gross domestic product, and we say, well, we have to touch 7%, 8%, 10%. And you know what that means? That means the more we consume, the higher our GDP is. So when government spending goes up, when private sector spending goes up, when the net import or export, goes up, the GDP goes up. Everything is consumption based. More we consume, the more our GDP. This is the mind frame of our economics that is driving us.
Komiti nong juga ham ko ka tahun komiti iyo ban budin ya giding lek kuit suba ha ba gani ka project kan nong ngin ngarap sibun na ka benta isnong ba ter ke baham ko tahun bakin lum ya kini ki jabo di bami ying disem ban segregate iki ha kom ka badeng itu stik laga jong ibu pat ki ka khia ga bami ying disem na isnong ki thau ha ka ba lalek terpang lembah jam project solid waste management hakaba tin terlihat ia kitu ki jabo baro hakaba tin sepenni ia kan sebok tu bang vermi kompos kapal ngajing rap nam tagi nong rep tuni te gajing tumuhi kalong bakum bang tip bajuk jumi mentah hamtam ni dan kamu ni suba budin ni kam bat ni semua komen tu ba nilai i bagane project kala urlong tadi project kala slam dari medang sini di dokumen bakalalong bengi siap bakalang di mutol nak bentar cepat ba nong senong di jongkan Nongpoh tahun ini berapa kita sibuk di dau di challenges di bakum ke department dia dulu tak mending tak dunai depan lah bengi dan technical problem yang tai sendiri finally di semua pemerintah dengan projek kalalong kata ketika positive effort kepada kalian government bagi kenong hikmat bagi department Myntri